Here guys, here I pour a little water in there because it was too thick. So I'm gonna let this you see the fine grain them in there. Yes, see some little fine grain because I don't blend out the banana all fully. Yes, so you have to see the fine grain in there, and that is what that is what I was looking for. That is what I want. Yes. So I'm gonna let this boil for about 20-25 minutes, and then I will show you how it look after boiling it for 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and then yes guys. Okay guys, I will see you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Criefarmywife TV. Welcome back, and thank you so much for coming back guys, and big up on yourself guys. This morning I'm gonna show you how I prepare my Jamaican green banana porridge. Yes guys, I'm gonna prepare green banana porridge. Yes, so I'm gonna show you how I prepare it guys. Okay guys, so I hope you like it, and yes, subscribe, and yeah, you can try it guys. Okay, so here I'm blending it. Not blending it for long because I don't want it blend out too smooth. Yeah, so I'm heading over here now. I'm just gonna pour it in the pot over here. Yes, and I'm just gonna pour it in there, and I'm gonna stir it. I have to stir it guys before it get lumpy. Yes, as I said, I don't blend out the banana fully because I like the taste. When I'm drinking the porridge, I like to taste the little of the banana in there. Yes, so I don't blend out the banana all to that guys. Yeah, and I'm gonna put on this spoon because I don't like this spoon. I don't like the metal spoon when I'm boiling porridge, so I'm gonna use the wooden spoon. Yeah, I'm going to add some water to this porridge because it look a little bit too thick. Okay guys, yes, so I'll soon get back to you guys. Okay, and I'm gonna make the cheese just melt out a little. Yeah, I'm gonna play with it. I think the cheese is too much. Yeah, if it was 2 eggs, the cheese would be perfect, but it's just one. Yeah, I think the cheese is too much. Yeah, I just do it like this. Yeah, until the cheese first. Yeah, and I'll leave it just a second. Okay. Oh, toast them or not? Okay. Okay. Okay, this is it. Yeah, okay. So we'll see you in the next step guys, okay? And here I have 25 minutes now, yeah, since I have it on, so I'm gonna lock off the stove and sweeten it now guys. Okay, so remember I'm gonna use I put the cinnamon stick in there already, so that's gonna use the milk and the nutmeg and the vanilla guys. I'm gonna show you the after look. Okay, so see you in the next clip guys. Yes guys, this is the finished look of my Jamaican green banana porridge. Yes, I put a little nutmeg on the top, and you can see the cinnamon stick peeping out right there. So on a banana. Yes, this is how it look guys. This is my finished look of my green banana, Jamaican green banana porridge, guys. So hope you can try it, guys, and when you try it, guys, comment and tell me how was it. It's really delicious, guys. Yes, so guys, remember to share. You can share it with your friends also, guys. Share it with the family, guys, and just comment, share, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, guys. Yes, I really appreciate it, guys. And you know, thank you for my old subscriber, and thank you for all my new subscriber. I really appreciate you guys, and continue to follow me on my new journey here in the US. Yes, yes, guys. So big up on yourself, and remember to share and comment and just, you know, and subscribe, guys. If you don't subscribe as yet, guys, I'm begging you guys, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so big up on yourself, guys, and see you on the next clip, on the next video, guys. Not the next clip, on the next video. So guys, big up on yourself. Love you guys.